Came up with interesting video that is on sumif. Before moving to the video, I would like everyone to share, subscribe the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all my upcoming videos. Please check out our playlist. You will find 127 plus videos which is related to Six Sigma certification, quality analyst, trainers, team leader, KPIs, people management, SME role. Many more videos are there. Also, we have videos on dashboards, reporting, and many new creativity related videos will be there on the MS Excel. Please check out, and let's start today's video that is on sumif. So why we will use this sumif? What is the need of it? Before doing this, we will do this on with the help of real world example. What happened now? So my manager told me we are working with three locations: India, Canada, and Philippines, wherein we have common process like process one which runs in India as well as Canada as well as in Philippines. I want to know what is the total revenue we have earned. Basically, if we have a shorter data, we can easily do sum. What we will do, we will do equal to sum, and we will choose process one from the entire table, and we get the sum of this number. What if we have thousands of entries? It will be quite tough. To do this, we will use sum if. The formula is easy: sum if I will choose all the process from process 1 to 3, everything. Okay, oh my god, it has chosen something else. Okay, okay, wait a minute, there is some issue with the tricks. Okay, we have choose all the process comma. Now this process are already been chosen. What I need process one detail. So process one I have added individually in the F11 cell, comma. Where are my numbers? My numbers are from C4 to C12, correct? I'll do bracket close, I'll do sum if B4 to B12, which means all my process. F11, which means it is a reference one. I need to choose only process one. That is the reason I have chosen F11. And then I have chosen all the values whatever I have. I got 7811, which is equivalent to the sum what we have done manually. Great. You can get the same number for the process 2 and process 3 as well. You just need to copy paste, you will get the number. At the end, you can see the sum, that is 27279 dollar, which is actually a same number what we have earned. Great. And you can get the same numbers if you do manual sum as well. Now this is the basic use of the sum if. Let me show you few more example on sum if in a different way. Suppose there are few process those are blank, considering there are few process those are blank, and my manager asked me, can you let me know how much we have earned from the blank processes? Okay, I can do this, sir, for you. I will again use sum if. I'll do bracket open. I will again choose all the process from process 1 B to B4 to B12. I'll do comma. I will use double quotes. I'll again use comma. I will select all the values. Now I did not add anything in the double quote, which means it will directly choose the blank cells. If I do random sum of this, I will get the same result as, sorry, if I do random sum of this, I will get the same result as 9332. Yes, if you do sum, you will get the same result. This is how you can get the blank cell details with the help of sumif. Now, my manager told me, can you let me know non-blank cells total revenue? So, which means he doesn't want the blank cell revenue. He just want the non-blank cells revenue. What I'll do sumif again. Sumif bracket open. I will choose the process once again. I have chosen the process once again, comma. Now I will use uh, open and close signs here, like greater than less than sign here, and comma. I will add all my revenue here. Now I'll do sum. Sorry, I need to add that under the double quotes. Yes, and sum. I got 17947. If I do both the sum, 1747, if I select these numbers which having the non-blank cell, if I do sum of it, I will get the same number, that is equivalent to 17. Give me a minute, I will just check. Yes, I'll get the same numbers, 17947. You can do sum of it, you will get the same number. These are the three basic use of sum if. So let's see once again what we have done. First thing, we have calculated if we have all the process detail, and our manager told us to find specific process revenue for all the three locations. We have did this formula. Second, they have asked me if there are blank process, and you need to select you need to identify the revenue for the blank cell. you will use only double quotes here, and you will just select B4 to B12, which is all the process details and the revenue details. And if I want non-blank cell in place, in between of these double quotes, I will use uh, greater than and less than sign, which tells that there are non-blank cells and they will give us the revenue. This is the basic use of sumif. You can use it in any other way. You can use it in multiple ways. If you are identifying values in thousands or 2000s of row, that is all about sumif. If you still have any doubt, please let me know. I will help you in the regarding to this. Please share your feedbacks and do like the video. Let me know what topics you required in upcoming videos. Please suggest so that we can help you out. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.